Hello students, Namaskar. In our previous lectures, we have studied transpose of a matrix and its properties, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, and also the properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We took some of the theorems for the properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Let us now take some of the questions based on symmetric and skew symmetric matrices and the theorems we have studied so far. Students, the question I am taking right now, it's a type of question that generally comes in the board exam, so you need to study it carefully. So here I go. The kind of question, students, is you are given a square matrix and you are asked to express that particular square matrix as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So suppose the kind of question is express A is equal to 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 1 as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. So students, what we have to do is we have to express this A as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. So here we go. Dear students, if you remember, in the previous video I have taught you that any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. So see, there I took a square matrix A and we expressed A as half of A plus A dash and plus half of A minus A dash, where this one was symmetric and this one was skew symmetric matrix. So this particular theorem we are going to use to express this square matrix as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So here I go. The solution. Students, we are given a square matrix A with the elements 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 1, and with the help of this we will find the transpose of A also, and the transpose of A is 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3 and 3 2 1. I have written transpose of A. The first row has become the first column, second row has become the second column, and third row has become the third column. Now the first matrix that I am to get is, I can name it as P. Let P is equal to half of A plus A dash. So what we have to do, students, we will add both A and A dash and multiply the sum by half. So that implies that P is equal to half of, let us find the sum of A and A dash. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and again 2, this is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now this is to be multiplied by half. So when we multiply this by half, so P is equal to, what would we get? Implies that P is equal to a matrix. When we multiply a matrix by a scalar, then each of the elements of the matrix will be multiplied by that particular scalar. So multiply half multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. This is 1, the first element. Now this half will be multiply all of the elements. So here this is 2, this is 3, 2, 2, 5 upon 2, and then 3, 5 upon 2 and 1. We have found the value of P, students. Now what do you notice, students? You can write here P is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. As P is equal to P dash. You can find P dash, students. Here P, we have got the value of P. Now if you find P dash, then the elements will be, if here I am finding quickly, P dash is equal to the first row 1, 2, 3. The first row has become the first column 2, 2, 5 upon 2. 2, 2, 5 upon 2. Okay, and this is 3, 5 upon 2, 1. 3, 5 upon 2, 1. You may notice P is equal to P dash, and that is the reason why I have written here P is a symmetric matrix, as you have to write here as P is equal to P dash, and you have to find P dash here. Okay, one thing we have done, students, one thing we have found, as we have to express this as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So the symmetric matrix we have got, that is equal to P, and now we'll find that skew symmetric matrix now. So here we go. The second matrix I can name as Q, and Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. So now that implies that Q is equal to half of A minus A dash, students. You have this as A and this as A dash. So A minus A dash, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, and the last one is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the matrix we have got, and when we multiply this matrix by half, then you will get Q as 1 upon 2, and this is 1 upon 2. I hope you understood. Now students, you have to show that Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So you can find now, this implies that Q dash is equal to, right here Q dash is equal to 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1 upon 2, and then 0, minus 1 upon 2, and 0. I have found Q dash, and what do we notice here? This implies that Q dash is equal to minus Q, and hence Q is a skew symmetric matrix, as Q dash is equal to minus Q. We have found two matrices, students. The first one is P is equal to half of A plus A dash, and the second one is Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. These two matrices, the first one is a symmetric matrix, the P is symmetric, and the second one Q is a skew symmetric matrix. At last we just have to verify that sum of P and Q is equal to A only. So at last, after you have done it, I am writing it here. I hope you have understood. See, where is P that I am to keep, students? The P was this one. This is P. At last what you have to do, after you have written this, you can write here A is equal to, or you can write P plus Q is equal to, P plus Q is equal to, let us find P plus Q. Just add, students, the corresponding elements of P and Q. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. The second element is 2, the third element is 3, the next element is 2, the next 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, and then 5 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3. and the next element is 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 only, and this is 5 upon 2 minus half, that is equal to 5 upon, this is 5 upon 2, and q is this one minus half. So we get it as, it is, yes, it is minus half. So p is 5 upon 2, so it is true actually, students. And the next one is 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. So students, we can now write p plus q is equal to, what is this? You can compare the elements of this particular matrix with this particular A. 1 2 3 1 2 3, 2 2 3 2 2 3, 3 2 1 3 2, and this is 1 actually. Yes, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, it is 1. So we can write p plus q is equal to 1. Hence we have expressed A as the sum of two matrices P and Q, where P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. And this is how we have to do this type of question, that expressed a square matrix A as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Again I am repeating what to do. If you are given a square matrix A and you are asked to find two matrices such that the first one is a symmetric matrix and the second one is a skew symmetric matrix, then the first matrix you have to find as P is equal to half of A plus A dash, and the second one you have to find Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. And then when you add both P and Q, you will get it as what? A only, and then you can verify that A can be expressed as a sum of two matrices P and Q, such that the first one P is a symmetric matrix and the second one Q is a skew symmetric matrix. I hope you have understood the example well.